I'm Charles. Today we're going to be doing potato summer sausage kebabs. So it'll be a good camping food. First thing we need is fire to get going. So I'm going to get that going and then we'll talk about what we need next. Okay, we got a good fire going. So what we're going to do is we've got a bunch of little stuff in there so it'll burn down quick, make a nice bed of coals. So we're going to cook over the bed of coals. So while that's burning down the coals, we'll prepare the meat and potatoes. Okay, some stuff you want. Cutting board will be handy. Potato. Some summer sausage, about, I don't know, half the size of the potato. Some hand sanitizer, because you're going to be dealing with sticks and rocks and dirt and whatever. A skewer. This one's, I think, 16 inches long. Just need one big enough for the potato and to prop on some rocks above the coals. A knife to slice up your potato and your summer sausage, and some gloves if you want that. Now, if you also wanted to, you could get some aluminum foil, however you want to say it, and you could bake these instead of grilling them above the coals. But the main one we're going to be doing today is grilling above the coals. We'll start by cutting our potato. I'm going for about, I don't know, 1/4 inch thick slices. And try to keep the potato all together because you're going to be skewering it here in a minute. I'll leave the ends a little bit thicker to kind of hold on to everything. We got that. Now we'll cut our summer sausage slices a little bit thinner. There we go. Now what we're doing is sandwiching our pieces on the skewer, alternating of course. I'm already thinking about eating instead of cooking. Well, there we have it. Now we'll go get our coals ready, and we'll set this above the coals, see how it goes. And what I've prepared too is a rock right here and a rock right there, which hopefully will give me good support from my skewer. What I'm going to do is push these hot coals right up here. I'll get my skewered potato put just above those coals. And then what we'll do is from time to time rotate the potatoes, or the skewer with the potato on it. Come back and check on that. Alright, what we have here is pretty much the same thing as the skewered one, but this one we're going to wrap it in the aluminum foil. Nice and tight, and this one will go lay on the coals and then bury it in coals. Right, here we are. Oh, it's already looking nice and sizzly. Looking good. We'll put our baked version right there. Bury it up in coals, and I'll get some more fire going here. I've let it die down. That one's already looking nice. There you can see that's getting nice and toasty all around. And we're occasionally turning our baked potato version over every once in a while, make sure it cooks evenly. Should be ready to go before long. There you have it. A little bit charred around the edges, but done throughout. It's almost like a mashed potato on the outside, and cooked potato in the middle, and then you've got the juices and spices and everything from the summer sausage soaked through, so there's no need to add any seasoning or anything. Alright, here we got the aluminum foil wrapped version. Let's see how that turned out. Oh, nice. Nice and squishy and juicy. This one will require a spoon to eat. And then the best part is you get to sit back with a campfire going while you're eating. I'm Charles. It's dark. I'm still eating. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.